Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Entra ID and exploring the importance of administrative units. Administrative units are a powerful feature that helps organizations manage and organize the resources more efficiently. By adding users, groups, and devices into these units, administrators can delegate permissions and streamline management tasks across different departments or divisions. So stay tuned to learn how to get started with this essential tool for your organization. Let's dive into it. Okay, so we get started directly in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Within the Admin Center, we will go in the navigation menu on Identity. We need to show more to see all. We have Roles and Admins. Within the Roles and Admins, we have Admin Units. From here, we can manage all our administrative units, or we can create new ones, delete ones. So let's start with creating a new one. Let's just call it a demo unit. Give the description. This is a administrative unit for demo. We also have an option to restrict management of the administrative unit. This is a preview feature. So if we do this, the tenant level administrator can't inherit roles on this administrative unit, meaning that if you have a group administrator or a user administrator on a tenant level, they cannot do changes within this administrative unit, which can be real handy if you want to restrict some groups that are pinned to global admin or something like that. In this demo, we leave it on no. The next part is assigning roles. So we can assign roles to this administrative unit. So if we say in this administrative unit, only one person from one person that's not an administrator of the tenant level can do changes on groups. So we'll add here documentaion dash a user, and then next and review and create. So we're having a name, demo unit, description, administrative unit for demo, and we're assigning group administrator for documentaion dash. We hit create, and there we have it. We have created a administrative unit. From this administrative unit, of course, tenant administrators can do changes on the users added here, or the groups or devices, but also documentaion dash that is not a administrative user on the tenant level can also do changes on the groups here. So we can. So the next part now is to add users and groups into this administrative unit. So let's add Beagle 1, 2, and 3. So we have some users here. So they are now added. Show here now. And let's add a group. We can add a group. I think we have a Beagle group, Team Beagle. That should be added. And same for not added. Maybe we need to wait the Microsoft minutes. Let's go back to that one later. So devices, we can also add devices here so that you can do device changes. And of course, we have roles and administrators, meaning that we can add more people into the groups and we can choose who is doing what on these groups. Let's see, is a group in here now? Well, there we have it. Team Beagle is added. Just took some time. If you have a look in the one I created already, protected PIM groups, meaning that I'm using this administrative unit to protect my PIM groups. I have also have restricted management on it, so tenant level administrators doesn't get inherit permissions in here. So all users then all administrators that needs to do changes on this administrative unit actually needs to be added as a user in here. So we see here groups administrator, We have 0 active assignments, but we have eligible assignments. And here we have Julian as myself, and we have documentaion dash here as well. So that's how easy it is to set it up. Now let's have a look on how it's from the end user or the delegated administrator side of you. Stay tuned. All right, so we are back. So here we see I'm signed in as documentaion dash, and he only has the user role within this tenant. So if I head over to groups, all groups, and hit create new group, I can only create a Microsoft 365 group, as I have not removed that options in this demo tenant. I cannot create a security group. If we go down to roles and admins and admin units, we see those 2 units that I have created. If we go into demo unit and into groups, we see I can not add a group, but I can hit new group and create the Microsoft 365 group here as well. But I cannot choose security group. So remember that I gave this user a ability to PIM to group administrator. Let's do that. So we'll head into privileged identity management, go into my roles, and here we see allowable assignments. I have group administrator twice, one for protected PIM groups admin unit and one for demo unit. So let's activate the demo unit and see what happens. So I need to give it a reason, demo purpose, and activate. So when this is activated, we can see if we can create some groups. So the group administrator is now activated. And if we then go back to identity and show more roles and admin units, and head into demo units, we now go into groups and we can create a new group. And from here we see that we can create security groups as well. So new security group, hit create. That's created. It takes a bit of time to show here. But if we head into the tenant level groups and try to create a new group here, we still just can create a Microsoft 365 group. So with this, we have delegated the creation of groups for this administrative unit to only one user. So that was just a sneak peek on how you can use administrative units, how easy it is to set up. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos about Entra ID and all the nice features that we have there. Thank you for watching. See you later.